Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show y'all some of the tips and tricks that I use to make my lips look bigger than they are without getting lip injections. I'm wearing my sweatshirt that says y'all because I say y'all all the time. So, some people are blessed with very big plump lips, some people aren't, and some people are in between. These are some tips that I use to make my lips look a little more plump. I'm gonna start off with a lip pencil. This is one by NYX. I'm gonna start by overlining my lips with this pencil. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. So I'm just gonna overline my lips on the top and bottom. And when you overline a little bit, it kind of causes a shadow, which also causes your lips to look larger. Here in my Cupid's bow, I'm gonna overline quite a bit. See, and they already look a little larger. It just kind of makes them look more plump. Now with the NYX Lip Lingerie matte lipstick, I'm gonna go in and just put this on my lips. I'm not gonna overline hardly any with this because if you do that, it can look pretty fake. So now that this is on, I'm gonna wait a little bit and let it dry down a little. Now going in with the bronzer that I used to bronze my face and contour my face, which is these two colors here, I'm gonna take that contour shade, and this is just a Morphe brush. It is the R37 brush, and I'm just gonna apply this shade here under my lip. This will cause the illusion of a more pouty bottom lip, which can make your lips look bigger. See? Then with this Morphe M503 brush, M506 brush, I'm gonna go in with that same contour shade, and I'm gonna put that right here in the center part, in the center of my Cupid's bow. And make that area just a tad bit darker. Then here's my Cupid's bow, these two little ridges. On each side, I'm gonna put this contour shade. This is gonna emphasize the Cupid's bow, which will make the top lip look larger. Now with the Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter, which is what I've used on the rest of my face today, I'm gonna go in and highlight my Cupid's bow. This is my powder in that pan is all broken, but I'm just gonna highlight my Cupid's bow, and I'm gonna bring it up a little on those ridges. So those are my tips and tricks to make your lips look a little larger, a little more plump, and I feel like it works pretty good. I do suggest not going overboard with the bronzer on the bottom lip and on the top. You don't want to look like you have a mustache or anything. But these are some of the tips and tricks that I use to get more plump lips. I hope that this video helped you, and if you'd like to see anything else, please leave the suggestions in the comments. I love reading those, and I love to film videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.